Today I want to show you one of my favorite bags called the Lug Puddle Jumper bag. I bought this bag about 2.5 years ago and I use it all the time if we go away on weekend trips. This bag is full of features. They have put a lot of thought into their products, and so let me show you a few that I really love. On the front you'll notice there are 3 pockets. Well, within those 3 pockets, there's another pocket here and another pocket here. And when we unzip this part, there's another pocket on the inside here, as well as another pocket and 1, 2, 3, 4 pen holders and another looped area here for whatever else you want, and a mirror, which is really great. So really, you could put all your toiletries and things in here. On the side, you'll see the pockets for water bottles or umbrellas. They work great. There's also another big pocket up here with a magnetic closure. This is where I put my laptop. Turning the bag around, there's a slot for your identification. There's also another half pocket zippered area here. And this is one of my favorite things. This is my shoe closet. The pocket that fits your shoes. So this is completely separate from the actual bag, and there's like a mesh window here, so there's lots of ventilation for that pocket. I'm just going to show you a little close-up of some of these features. This is the magnetized pocket in the front, and the little pockets in the top. Inside, you'll see the logo with another zippered portion up here. It's about a half pocket and another full pocket right in the front. This is the strap that would go around your luggage. And here's the shoe closet. When I'm not using this bag for travel, I'm using it at the gym. It's a perfect bag. It has lots of room for all the stuff you need for the gym. It's got a spot for your shoes and pockets for your memberships and coins that you need for the lockers, and it's just a great overall bag. It also comes with this handy strap for slinging it over your shoulder. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Lug Puddle Jumper bag. I think the Lug products are excellently made and very well thought out, and I highly recommend them. Thank you for watching Tinagirl Travels. Please remember to subscribe and like to see more of my videos.